Understanding just born in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the intricacies of the English language to help make learning easier and more enjoyable for you. Today, we have a special topic to discuss: the phrase, just born. This is a phrase you might have come across in various contexts, and today, we're going to explore what it means and how to use it properly. When we look at the phrase, just born, it is made up of two words, just and born. Just. This word can have several meanings, but in this context, it is used to express recentness. It refers to something that has happened a very short time ago. Born. This is the past participle form of the verb bear, which means to give birth to. Putting them together, just born refers to someone or something that has come into existence or been brought into the world very recently. Now that we understand what the phrase means, let's look at how it can be used in sentences. 1. The puppy is just born. It still needs its mother. 2. Here, the phrase, just born, is used to indicate that the puppy is very young, literally having been born a very short time ago. 3. This company is just born, so we are still setting up our operations. 4. In this example, just born is used metaphorically to describe a newly established company. 5. He is showing so much talent at such a young age. He is just born to be a star. 6. Here, the phrase takes on a more figurative meaning, suggesting that someone is naturally suited or destined for something. When using the phrase, just born, it's important to ensure that it fits the context of your sentence. Here are some common mistakes and tips on how to avoid them. 1. Avoid using just born for older subjects. 2. Incorrect. He is 10 years old but acts just born. 3. Correct. He is 10 years old but acts very immature. 4. Just born should be reserved for subjects that are literally or figuratively very new or young. 5. Ensure that the tense matches. 6. Incorrect. The baby will be just born tomorrow. 7. Correct. The baby will be born tomorrow. 8. The phrase, just born, refers to a state that has already occurred, so it doesn't work with future tenses. Thank you so much for joining us today to explore the phrase, just born. We hope that this video has clarified its meaning and how to use it properly in your sentences. Remember, practicing these phrases in context will help solidify your understanding and improve your English proficiency. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing.